Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the Jawmax application on your mobile device. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so first step is to go ahead and download and install the Jawmax app from your mobile Play Store, so you can be Google Play or your App Store, and then from here go ahead and open up for the first time. Now you're going to come to the intro screen here where it says unlock your strongest jawline. So what this does is AI is going to analyze your jawline and gives tips to define it better. So go ahead and click on continue. Now you just got to answer these questions. So what's your gender, then choose your birth date, and then what do you want to improve your jawline. So you've got some options here, so just go ahead and answer all these different options, because what the AI is going to do, it's going to help them create a custom plan to improve your jawline. So yeah, just answer them to your best of your ability and what you want to get out of the Jawmax app. And now from here we can choose your ideal jawline. So they got images, so choose your ideal jawline. I reckon the rugged one looks the best. Now from here, I've noticed you can't continue without giving them a rating, which is kind of a bit weird, but yeah, I'll rate them. So because they've asking me to rate, I can't rate them because I haven't used this app fully yet, so it's very interesting there. Okay, so from here you want to go ahead and scan your face. So scan your face to reveal your official PSL score instantly. So you go ahead and click on scan your face, and it's going to ask you to take a side on image of your face and a front on image. So now once you've taken that facial scan, we need to make sure to take a clear front facing photo and a clear side facing photo, and also make sure you're in good lighting and centered in the frame for the best analysis. Now what's going to happen, the AI is going to measure jawline proportion, symmetry and other facial geometry, and then you're going to get a PSL score here, mindset, strategy, jawline type, all those things here. But to use this feature, you need to go ahead and click on unlock now and upgrade to their subscription to do this. Now if we navigate through the app, so the bottom here we got our records. So this is going to record your scans and your PSLs and stuff. So as you can see here, this is my latest images and also PSL score. If you have upgraded, it's going to give you that score there. And now if we go to exercises, this is where we can go through and generate the jawline exercises. So if you click onto it, it's going to generate your daily workout plan. So it's going to give you day one, and then it's got jaw clench, so it's going to show you what to do and how to do it. So go ahead and click onto it, and it's got 3 sets to do, 10 reps per set. It's kind of like going to the gym but for your face or jaw rather. So targeting your chewing muscle, jawline definition, so you gently clench your teeth together while tightening your jaw and cheek muscles. Focus on gauging the jawline, so you want to do 3 sets of 10 for that. Now if we go back, we've got chin lifts, resistant jaw pushes, so just go through them. And also we've got settings here, so this is where we want to go ahead, and if you want to upgrade to Pro to unlock all features, I suggest doing that so you get the most out of this application if you really enjoy using it.